Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Google AdSense video training. Designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Google AdSense for your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool, which you need to know to dominate Google AdSense in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1. Google AdSense Basics. In videos 1 through 4, we'll talk about what is online advertising all about. What is Google AdSense? How can Google AdSense help your business? Shocking Google AdSense facts to consider. Section 2. Google AdSense Step by Step. In videos 5 through 10, we'll talk about setting up an AdSense-friendly website, creating a Google AdSense account, Google AdSense walkthrough, customizing your first AdSense ads, inserting ad slots manually, inserting ad slots with the AdSense plugin. Section 3. Advanced Google AdSense Strategies. In videos 11 through 16, we'll talk about increasing ad revenue with link units, increasing ad revenue with a custom search engine, implementing AdSense section targeting, implementing ad placement targeting, crazy simple ways to double traffic to your AdSense site, money-making AdSense optimization tips and strategies. Section 4. Additional tips to consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of Google AdSense on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training.